Welcome back to the Crypto Picture channel, where I help you see crypto through a clear lens. Today, we're going to be looking at Ethereum, Bitcoin, EGLD, and XOR. We're going to do an update, see how things are progressing based on our analysis over the last couple of days. So we're going to start with the Ethereum chart because I believe it's leading the charge, broken its all-time high, and now it's consolidating at all-time highs. On the last video, I did mention that Ethereum could see some consolidation over here in this area, and that's exactly what we're seeing. I've had a couple of messages in my Discord and some people reaching out to me on Telegram. Hey, like Ethereum had a huge pullback. Guys, this is really nothing in the grand scheme of things. Consolidation in this area is expected, and that's what we're seeing. So unless we start breaking critical levels, I'm still bullish. I'm still remaining bullish. It's okay that we've dipped below this wick of 2040 from the previous all-time high. If you're looking at candle bodies, we haven't come back down past the previous all-time high on a daily chart. If we look at the weekly here, our weekly candle is still above all of these prior candles. If we close out the week, which is today and tomorrow, depending on where you are in the world, this is bullish. It's normal to see pullbacks or consolidations after large moves like this. Ethereum just put in 20% weak. That's fantastic. So what am I expecting? Ethereum to consolidate, as I said in the previous video, perhaps a day, perhaps a few hours, perhaps a couple days. We'll have to see how that goes, monitor the chart, but based on what I'm looking at right now, still very bullish. Bitcoin. I said that Bitcoin would be stair-stepping its way based on what we've seen in the past. When Bitcoin dominance starts breaking down and altcoins and Ethereum take the helms, we see Bitcoin stair-stepping slowly or slower as prior to when Bitcoin was leading the charge and everything else was staring at Bitcoin from the sideline. So this is expected. We are back here retesting this parabolic uptrend line. Nothing scary here. As mentioned in previous videos, unless we start closing weekly candles below this level, still bullish. This is just retesting previous support levels before we continue higher, in my opinion. Bitcoin dominance continues to break down. On the 3-day, we've officially got a 3-day candle close below this critical level. This is the first time we've closed any type of candle below this level, and this is October 20th was the last time that we closed below here. So Ethereum versus Bitcoin still holding up fantastically. All we can do is just wait to see if we're going to get above this yellow line. With Bitcoin dominance breaking down, I do believe that we are going to see that. EGLD consolidating after a nice bullish breakout of this support zone. If you look here, last time we broke out of this reaccumulation zone, we spent 2 candles up here and then came back down. Here we have 1, 2, 3 candles, and it doesn't really look like we're going to be breaking down. We got a red candle that basically took us back down to the previous day candle on April 21st, but since then we have been able to reclaim a lot of that area. So we'll have to continue to monitor it, but in my opinion, again, I have a bullish bias. We're in a bull market. We've just seen a lot of these coins break out of bullish reaccumulation zones, and I do suspect to see higher prices here. The Bitcoin chart looks fantastic. We didn't even break down at all. This is EGLD versus BTC. As mentioned in the previous video, we came up, set a new high, came back down, retested the previous high from last summer. Bullish. XOR had a bull pennant reaccumulation zone, very volatile since it's a low market cap coin, broke out, beat this high or past this high here, and now we set a higher candle body close than our all-time high back in February, and we are simply retesting the support level. So what do you see across the board? Most altcoins look like this. They've broken their previous all-time highs. Some of them haven't gotten above the wick, but most altcoins have broken out of their previous highs and they're retesting the candle body closes on their all-time highs. This is a power move. This is bullish in my opinion. If we get a complete breakdown from Bitcoin, sure, we can reassess and rebalance our portfolios as necessary, but until that happens, you have to play this market with a bullish bias. And as of right now, there's no reason to be bearish. There's no reason to worry about a 5% dip. Binance coin. I wish I had held on to my Binance coin from $6, but you live and you learn. And we did get back in at pretty desirable levels, you know, already up double digits, so we're okay there. But same thing, broke out, retesting previous highs. If we go to a weekly chart, if we close above here, we've closed in a weekly candle. We'll have to see how Sunday goes, but if we close Sunday above this level, what do we see? We see a brand new close high. The candle body has closed above the previous all-time high. That's bullish, and it's going to continue to look bullish. And you're going to hear me keep saying bullish because this is what all of these coins are doing right now. They're retesting previous highs, and for the most part on their weeklies and their dailies, they're just retesting the support level that was resistance, now turned to support. So with that being said, guys, that's where I want to leave it today. I hope you found some value in this. If you did, join the Discord link is down below. Also, the Patreon link is down below as well. If you're interested in supporting the channel, I also have a premium service that allows whoever is a Patreon to get access to my trading account in real time. I'll see you on the next video.